business like a fortune telling? It could be exciting, but it's not accurate actually. But to get data from all your marketing and sales platform could be easier, faster and cheaper than you thought. Did you hear already Looke Studio? It is a free and easy to use data visualization tool made by Google. Definitely try it. You can have all your business KPIs at the real time anytime you need. Learn how to use this powerful tool by online course and present this course to your team. Invest to the most profitable channels, save resources and make data-driven decisions. Click here and get details.